Guys, welcome to another video. So sorry I haven't been posting a while. I've been really busy this summer, but today I have a vision for a s'mores cupcake. I'm picturing a graham cracker crust, chocolate cupcake, marshmallow cream filling, ganache frosting, and I'm just really excited. It's gonna be a fun day and I hope you come along with me. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to start on the graham cracker crust for our cupcakes. 1 whole pack of graham crackers. Add my graham cracker crumbs to my large bowl. Alright, looks good. Scoop to our tins, push it down. Move on to the chocolate cupcake batter. You guys have probably seen this before. It's my chocolate cake recipe divided in half. To my bowl, I'm going to add my flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm going to add an oil, milk, vanilla, and lastly, 1 egg. Add in my hot water. Your batter should be very thin. Go bake these in the oven. Moving on to the frosting. We're doing this over the stove. So first we're going to add in our heavy cream and we're going to wait till it simmers. Now that it's simmering, I'm going to sift in my cocoa powder, whisk it up, butter, chocolate chips, and powdered sugar. Now I'm going to whisk this up till it's all nice and smooth. This looks so good. Now I'm going to pour it through a strainer to get out the lumps. Cover in plastic wrap and let it refrigerate for about an hour. Moving on to our filling. To my bowl, I'm going to add a big scoop of marshmallow fluff, as well as some heavy cream. Alright, now let's whip. Okay, here's where we're at. It's a little loose, but I kind of like it like that. Bring in our cupcakes. I'm going to take this tool to remove the core. I'm going to add the filling to my piping bag. I'm going to add the filling to the cupcakes. Finish that. So here I got my frosting. Y'all, look at that color change. Okay, it is time to decorate. The piping tip I'm using is a 1M. Fill it up with my whipped fudge frosting. Pipe the frosting on the cupcakes. So what I'm doing is I'm piping a swirl, and then I'm bringing it up and doing another swirl. Don't worry, we aren't done yet. Right here, I'm making some chocolate ganache. Now I'm just going to do a zigzag on the cupcake. Add some graham cracker crumbs. Guys, that is a wrap for today's video. It was so fun. I think they turned out amazing, but I want to taste one. Look at that. It's so pretty. These are so amazing. I think it worked out. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're enjoying your summer. And we'll see you next time.